We're back at 6:47 this morning. Overdose deaths are down in Georgia this year, but Bibb County ranked in the top 5 in the state for ER visits for overdoses for the first half of the year. That's according to reports from the Georgia Department of Public Health. I talked with some recovery advocates who say a new law could make a life-saving difference. New Start is the only methadone clinic in Milledgeville. Clinical Director Charles Kofer says helping people recover from opioid addiction is hard work, but rewarding.
I get the opportunity to help people regain their lives and save their lives, change their lives.
But there's one drug Kofer can't treat, xylazine, also called tranq.
And the effects of it in a person is terrible. I've actually seen what it does.
It is causing something to happen to people's bodies where, basically like a skin necrosis is happening. So really bad wounds, wounds happening not at the spot of use.
Marissa Cooling, opioid program manager at the North Central Health District, says xylazine also depresses the nervous system and slows breathing, like fentanyl, which it's often mixed with. Unlike fentanyl, naloxone or Narcan can't reverse a xylazine overdose.
Really, any drug in the drug supply can be tested and should be tested for xylazine, fentanyl.
A new Georgia law makes that easier. It legalizes test strips for any substance, not just fentanyl, and no longer considers those test strips drug paraphernalia.
So you're given a choice, right, in the matter of what you're ingesting. Because a lot of times we can call it overdose, but it really is poisoning because people don't know what they're necessarily taking.
Kofer believes the law will save lives and give people more time to seek recovery.
Also, it opens the door, hopefully, for a person to actually find full recovery if that's something that they desire.
Critics say test strips and other harm reduction strategies enable addiction, but Kofer disagrees.
Harm reduction beats the alternative, which is overdosing and dying.
Something he's trying to prevent. Marissa Cooling with the health department says that these drug test strips work kind of like a pregnancy test. You just kind of take it and put it in the substance in a cup of water and kind of dip it in, and it'll tell you if xylazine's present, kind of like with the lines on a back like a pregnancy test. Georgia Overdose Prevention gives these test strips out, and you can also purchase them online.